வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் நியூ ரிலீஜியஸ் ஐடியாஸ் அண்ட் மூமெண்ட்ஸ். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம் இன்றைக்கி. ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Who of the following composed songs of Krishna putting himself in the place of Mother Yasoda? Option B, Periyalvar is the correct answer. Who preached the Advaita philosophy? Option D, Adi Sankara is the correct answer. Who spread the Bhakti ideology in northern India and made it a mass movement? Option C, Ramananda. Who made Sisti order popular in India? Option A, Moyududdin Sisti is the correct answer. Who is considered the first Guru by the Sikhs? Option C, Guru Nanak is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. Periyalvar was earlier known as Vishnu Chittar. Das is the holy book of Sikhs, Guru Granth Sahib. Mirabai was the discipline of Ravidas. Das philosophy is known as Visistadvaita, Ramanuja's philosophy. Gurudwara Darbar Sahib is situated at Das in Pakistan, Karatarpur. Next one, match the following. First, I will give the set of questions and then answers, straight answers, and I will give. First one, Pahul 6, Ramacharitmanas, Tulasidas, Sri Vaisnavisham, Ramanuja, Gratavali, Kabir, Shugravardi, Abul Wahid, Abu Najib. Next one, find out the right pairs. There are 5 pairs will be given. The right pair is Andal Srivilliputur, Gurudwar 6 is the right pair. Next one, find out the correct statement. Assertion and reason are given. Assertion, after Guru Gobind Singh, the holy book Guru Granth Sahib came to be considered the Guru. Reason, Guru Gobind Singh was the compiler of Guru Granth Sahib. Option C, assertion is correct but reason is wrong is the correct answer. Next one, find the odd one out. There are 5 names will be given. 5 person names will be given. The person odd one out is Andal is the correct answer. Next one, true or false. Sufism was responsible for the spread of Islamic culture. False. The best known Sufi sage of the early medieval period was Nizamuddin Ayulia of the Sisti order. True. Guru Nanak is considered the first Guru of Sikhs. True. Sufis believed that realization of God can be achieved only through passionate devotion to God and intense meditation. True. The basic Tamil Saiviyat Scat canon consists of 12 books. True. Next one, answer the following. What do you know about Tirumurai? Nambi Andar Nambi is said to have compiled the songs of all the Nayanmas that form the base of Tirumurai, the basic Tamil Saviat Scat canon. It consists of 12 books and 11 of them were assembled by Nambi. The 12th book is Sekila's Periya Puranam. How many Nyayanmas were there and who were prominent among them? There are 63 legendary Nyayanmas. Among this, Jnana Sambadar, Appar, Sundarar, often called the trio, are worshipped as saints through their images in South Indian temples. How did Guru Nanak help to found Sikhism? Guru Nanak is considered the first Guru by the Sikhs. The teaching of Guru Nanak formed the base of Sikhism, a new religious order found in the late 15th century. His and his successors' teaching are collected in the Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikhs. What did Tukaram to do with the Vithoba temple at Pantharpur? Tukaram, the 17th century saint, the poet of Maharashtra, is known as his spiritual songs, abhajas or kirtanas devoted to Vithoba or avatar of Krishna. There is the Vithoba or Panduranga temple at Pantharpur of Pandaripuram in Solapur district, Maharashtra. Highlight the spiritual ideas of Kabir that appealed to lower classes. Kabir believed that God is one and formless, even through different religious sects give them different names and forms. Kabir proposed discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, and wealth. He also condemned meaningless rituals. Next one, answer the following in detail. Give an account on the contribution of exponents of Bhakti movement in the southern as well as northern parts of India. The Alvar, Vaishnavite Bhakti sages and originators of Bhakti cult, and the Nayanmas, the worships of Shiva or the Saviats, composed devotional hymns in Tamil language dedicated to their respective gods. Vishnu Bhakti or Vaishnavism is based on the Vishnu avatars, particularly by Krishna and Rama. Two Alvas stand out distinctly. Adi Shankara or Shankaracharya preached the Advaita philosophy. His set of matas, centers of learning and worship at Badrinath, Puri, Dwaraka and Srirangiri. Ramanuja is a 11th century Vaishnava saint, was the most influential thinker of Vaishnavism. He established centers to spread the doctrine of devotion, Sri Vaishnavism, to God Vishnu and his consort Lakshmi. Exponents of Bhakti movement. Ramananda spread the Bhakti ideology in northern India, where it becomes a mass movement. Vallabhacharya, a Telugu philosopher, built a temple for Lord Krishna on the Govardhan hills near Mathura. Tulasidas Hindu, retelling of the story of Rama in the Ramacharit Manas, the sentiment of friendship and loyalty is stressed. Next one, what is Sufism? How did it find its footing in India? The advent of Sufism to India dates back up to the Arab conquest of Sindh. It gained prominence during the region of the Delhi Sultanate. Sufism found adherents among both Muslims and Hindus. Sufism, the word Sufi takes its origin from the form Suf, meaning word. Sufis in medieval India were divided into three major orders. There were Sisti, Suharwadi and Firadusi. The Suharwadi order was founded by the Iranian Sufi Abdul Wahid Abu Najib. The Firadazi order was the branch of Sugarwadi order and its activities was confined. What impact did the Bhakti movement make on Indian society? Vedic Hinduism was regenerated and saved from the onslaught of Islam. The Islamic tenets unity of God and universal brotherhood emphasized by the saints promoted harmony and peace. Bhakti was the movement of the common people. It used the language of the common people for its devotional literature. Bhakti movement opened up space for Indian languages to grow. It stimulated literacy activity in religion languages. Was sustained Sanskrit despite its decline during the period was the support extended by the rulers of Hindu kingdom. Tamil was the only ancient Indian language remained vibrant during this period. Caste system and social disputes came to be criticized. The video will be completed. The next lesson book back exercise will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching my channel.